Thank you for coming. I think that this series that that Lauren has come up with and that we're gonna create is really gonna, I think, shed some light on some topics that people don't always know where to turn to for some resources. And so I hope to provide those things for you. And just, I hope that, again, it's going to create just more conversation in making sure that everybody is getting the information that they need. I've been teaching, like I said, for the 29 years, but I'm not one to stand up here and say, oh, I've got all the answers. I know everything, and this is how you should do it. And that's the way that I approach my class, too. I provide resources, I provide information, and it's up to the classes, it's up to the kids to do what they want to do. And that's what I'm going to ask of you as well. Some of the things that I'm going to have, you might look at, you might say, oh, that seems pretty elementary. I'm not sure if I really can use that. And that's okay. But everybody's going to have different abilities. Everybody's going to have different levels of comfort. And so just go along with it. If you can do that for me, I'd appreciate that. Anyway, well, let's go ahead and get started here. So like I said, I'm a teacher. I coach girls basketball, former football coach. I work in the weight room at the high school. But I also consider myself to be a very big financial literacy advocate. I'm an advisory member to the Governor's Council on Financial Literacy, which was created by Governor Walker. And it's something that I've just loved being a part of, and I'm hoping that Governor Evers will continue it. I meet with 3 or 4 times a year, and we met with people from different businesses all across the state, members that are involved in it. And it was actually that council's efforts that got the state of Wisconsin to create a financial literacy standard and graduation requirement for the state of Wisconsin. So it's outstanding. Another thing that I'm really proud of too is I'm a fellow for an organization called Next Gen Personal Finance, and a lot of the resources that you're going to see today are things that I've gotten from them. Their founder, Tim Ranzetta, had just a very interesting young period in his life where he got involved in things, investing in things, and really hit it big and made it really well. So his goal is to give back. And so every single material that he has on his website is free to teachers. And actually free to anybody, and I can share it with you guys, and you can look at it too, because there's some great activities besides the ones that we're going to be doing. But he has actually this last year pledged $25 million over the next 10 years to provide financial education to teachers so that they can get it out to their students. And it's just something that I'm very proud of. I'm a fellow for the 2018-2019 school year. Last summer I went to Palo Alto, which is where they're headed out of. And we met and went through some training, and it just was fantastic. So again, a lot of the stuff that I do will be based on a lot of the things that they have given to us.